This is a North Carolina Amber Alert for a child abduction. The Durham Police Department is searching for Jian King. Jian King Parrott is a 9-year-old black male, approximately 4 feet 10 inches tall, weighing 100 pounds. He has brown hair and brown eyes and was last seen wearing a black hoodie and black sweatpants. The abductor, Mariah King, is described as a 43-year-old black female, 5 feet 4 inches tall, weighing 140 pounds with brown hair and brown eyes, wearing gray sweatpants and a black crop top. Her hair was styled in a bun with a ponytail. They were last seen at 202 South Benjamin Street on foot. If you have any information regarding this abduction, call the Durham Police Department immediately at 919-560-4427 or call 911 or *HP.